Australian dealer forecourts right now are stacked with brand new RAV4S, CX-5S, and Kia Sorentos at $40,000 to $65,000 drive away. Shiny screens, dual zone climate, and within 5 to 7 years, thousands of them will be in workshops with blocked diesel particulate filters, dead touchscreens, and repair bills that cost more than the car is worth. But on car sales and Auto Trader today, 5 SUVs nobody is buying can outlast every single one of them. We are counting them down. And number 1, the car most people walk straight past is going to make you rethink what a used car is actually worth. Stay to the end. Australia has a badge problem. We are obsessed with what the car says about us in a car park rather than what it costs us over a decade. New SUV buyers sign up for $50,000 or $60,000 in repayments, only to hit a 5-figure repair bill before the car is paid off. The 5 on this list avoid that entirely through honest, simple engineering. Every one of them can be bought for less than 2 months of repayments on that new model at the dealership. In 5th place, the Suzuki Grand Vitara JT, built from 2005 to 2015. Say that name at a dinner party, and you will get a blank look. That blank look is exactly why it makes this list. While the rest of the market was buying soft road crossovers dressed up in 4-wheel drive badges, the Grand Vitara was doing the real thing. Permanent 4-wheel drive with a lockable center differential and a genuine low-range transfer case. That is Land Cruiser hardware in a car that sells for $5,000 to $12,000. The 2.4-liter petrol is the one to buy. The 1.9-liter diesel sounds tempting, but diesel particulate filter blockages past 80,000 kilometers make it a gamble. And here is something most buyers do not know. The Grand Vitara is one of the last production SUVs that can be legally flat-towed behind a motorhome. Its transfer case has a true neutral that fully disconnects all 4 wheels. Modern SUVs cannot do that, but if you thought that was good value, number 4 goes deeper. Number 4, the Honda CR-V, 2nd generation, 2001 to 2006. This is what Honda built during its peak decade of reliability before CVT transmissions and touchscreen complexity took over. The K24-2. 4-liter 4-cylinder runs a timing chain, not a belt. That means no $500 belt service looming at every 100,000 kilometer mark. RepairPal scores it 4.5 out of 5 for reliability, with average annual repair costs of around $400. Most problems on these cars come down to the rear differential shuttering at low-speed turns. The fix is a $40 fluid change with Honda's dual pump fluid. That is it. Check the air conditioning is cold before you buy, because the compressor on some examples can fail and contaminate the whole system. Find a clean one under $5,000 with a service history, and you have arguably the best budget family SUV available in Australia right now. But number 3 is a different animal entirely. Number 3, the Mitsubishi Pajero, NM to NP, 2000 to 2006. The Pajero is not just a reliable used car. It holds a Guinness World Record. 12 Dakar Rally wins, more than any other vehicle in history. The same body-on-frame platform and super select 4-wheel drive system from those race wins is what you buy at the dealership. And the Super Select is genuinely special. Most rivals give you rear-wheel drive or permanent 4-wheel drive. The Pajero gives you rear-wheel drive for the highway, then 4-wheel drive high or low, switchable on the move at up to 100 kilometers an hour. The 3.2-liter diesel is documented running past 400,000 kilometers when maintained properly. Tow rating is 3,000 kilograms. These trade between $4,000 and $12,000. The crank angle sensor is the known wear item on high-kilometer examples. It is not catastrophic, but it will strand you if ignored. Have a specialist check the fuel system before buying. The rest of this car is built to go forever. And then number 2 will surprise you. Number 2, the Toyota Kluger, 1st generation, 2003 to 2007. Here is what most people do not know. Under that plain, conservative body sits the exact same 3.3-liter V6 and 5-speed automatic as the Lexus RX400h, a car that sold new for over $70,000. The Kluger version started at under $44,000. Today, a clean 7-seat CVX example sits on car sales between $4,000 and $9,000. All-wheel drive, 7 seats, elevated visibility, Toyota reliability. The main thing to check is the air conditioning evaporator, which can fail and requires a full dashboard removal to fix. Have it inspected before purchase, and confirm the cam belt has been done at 150,000 kilometers. Do both of those things, and the Kluger will haul your family across Australia for less than a single year of depreciation on the new car next to it in the showroom. Number 1 though. Number 1 is in a different league. Number 1, the Lexus RX400h, 2005 to 2009. The moment most Australians hear hybrid, they think about expensive battery replacements and specialist repair bills. For most hybrids, that fear is fair, but the RX400h runs Toyota's hybrid Synergy drive, the same system proven across 2 decades of Prius, Camry hybrid, and RAV4 hybrid. Owner accounts across multiple forums consistently show these cars crossing 200,000 kilometers with the original battery pack intact and no hybrid-related drama. What that drivetrain delivers inside a Lexus body is a large luxury SUV averaging 9 or 10 liters per 100 kilometers, with no diesel particulate filter, no turbocharger, and no dual-clutch gearbox. Less complexity, less to go wrong. The timing belt is due at approximately 145,000 kilometers, or 6 years, per the Lexus service schedule. Get proof it has been done, and do the water pump at the same time. Entry examples sit from $7,000. A clean 2008, with full history, is $12,000 to $18,000, which is still less than a year of depreciation on the new CX-5 parked outside. The cabin is quiet, the ride is smooth, and the refinement is in a different tier to anything else on this list. This was an $80,000 car new. Nobody is buying it used. That is the whole point. Across all 5, one truth is undeniable. The Australian used car market rewards badge recognition and punishes honest research. Buyers walk past a 7-seat Toyota with Lexus mechanicals to sign up for a new crossover with a bigger screen. They ignore a Mitsubishi with 12 World Championship wins and a 3,000 kilogram tow rating because the badge is not fashionable. Badge prestige fades. Honest engineering does not. These 5 cars will still be running long after the shiny new SUVs next to them have eaten their first 5-figure repair bill. The smartest money in the Australian used car market is the one nobody else noticed was sitting there. So, which one would you drive?